Philippines, and welcome. You are watching the one and only reality dating game show. This is Take Me Out. I won't waste any more time. Ladies and gentlemen, simulan na natin ang ating dating game show. So, ladies of Take Me Out, show us what you got. Me out! Now, mga kapuso, madali lang ang mechanics ng game show natin. Ang single guy natin may 3 chances para ma-win ang hearts ng 30 contestants natin. If the girls like what they see, they keep their lights on. If they don't like what they see, syempre mag-off na sila ng ilaw, diba? So ladies, pakita na natin. Kunwari, ako yung single guy. At sinabi ko na favorite color ko ay hot pink. Are you turned on or you turned off? I thought so. Kunwari, sinabi ko na kung isang babae nag-wear ng pink, hate na hate ko talaga. You turned on or you turned off? And what if I admit na I have this big collection na pinakapaborito kong mga Barbie dolls? Are you turned on or you turned off? Just what I thought. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call a blackout. Pag nangyari po ito, ibig sabihin yan na yung single guy natin will be going home dateless. Alright, now that we know how to play the game, let's turn the lights back on! Ipakilala na natin ang ating first single guy for today. First single guy. Oras na para magpopogi ka. Come on down!
How you doing? My name is Rico Robles, and I'm from Ortigas in Malabon City. Hi, ladies.
Hey, Rico!
What's up,
Ang sipag na mag-shake ng hands ng girls, ah.
Kailangan, man.
So, ladies, nakita niyo na, narinig na siya. Yeah. Are you turned on or you turned off? Wow! You are such a stud, Rico.
Hey!
You are such a stud. Jimmy, what is wrong with Rico? He's so good looking.
I don't like how he dresses.
Ah, ganon. So what do you...
So you don't like the Chris Brown look?
I
You don't...
also like his...
So hindi ko
He looks
makikinig.
kind of dirty. I'm sorry.
What do you think about that, Rico? Do you feel like you're dirty?
She doesn't like the kilite.
Yeah, sige. Baka next contestant natin, Central Clean. So, Zernes, ba't naka-off ang ilaw mo?
Personally kasi ayoko ng medyo chubby. Sorry.
Chubby ba yan? Hindi naman chubby yan. Ano ka? No problem.
No problem.
Rico.
I know.
Great, my
Thanks,
friend.
thanks.
Alamin natin kung ano mangyayari kung mag-off sila or will they'll keep their lights on sa pagbabalik ng Take Me Out!
Oo, yung date namin, nag-bond kami sobra, parang kulit na lang talaga na parang wala yung nahihiya ka natin kung kailangan umay ka.
I made the right decision not to turn off the lights.
Dapat yung pangalan yan.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, yan.
Oh, sige.
Welcome back to Take Me Out, mga kapuso. Before the break, Rico came out and introduced himself. Pero, dalawa lang nag-lights off. Ang galing mo, pare. Ang galing mo. 28 naka-on.
I don't know, someone's probably behind that, not unplugging the lights. I don't know.
No. You're a good man, kaya ganito nangyayari.
In that respect.
Pero Rico is gonna show us a little bit more about himself so you can get to know him. Pero, tandaan yung girls, pwede ko yung mag-off ng ilaw whenever you want to during this VTR. Okay, so, watch this.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy Rico Robles. How you doing? I was born here in the Philippines. I grew up a few number of years in America. I've been working on radio for about 9 years. It's been a fun job, man. Who would have thought na mag-abot tayo ng 9 years? Hey, what's up? It's your boy Rico Robles on Take Me Out. It's all about love and dating, all about. Ano ba to? Ito isang show, GMA 7 para sa inyo. Ito sa mga nagmamahal, sa mga naghahanap, para malaman mo kung sino ba mayayakap. So it's your boy Rico Robles, the truth behind the booth. Take Me Out. That's what it is in the truth.
Yun! Well, Rico, 8 lights that are on still.
I think when I started rapping in Tagalog, they're like, oh, well, you know.
Well, let's find out. Let's find
Let's
out.
go.
Paula,
Hey,
paano
Paula.
ilaw mo? What do you like about Rico?
Ang cool niyang kasama. Parang nag-enjoy talaga ako.
Ayun, parang sinabi niya na press ko lang, di ba? In a good way, right? You're still in the game, Rico. We have 8 girls.
Hey, girls. Wow. Okay.
Oh, that's a good number pa rin, ha? Looks like you're gonna be going on with the date today. Tingnan natin. Pero Rico, alam ko kailangan mong prepare, so please go backstage.
Yeah.
Ladies, let's wait for Rico. He has something to show you guys.
Yeah, surprise. Get up.
Bridget, tanong ko lang, nakita na natin na nag-rap siya, nagbo-boxing siya, at DJ siya. Anong sa tingin mo na ginagawa niya sa likod?
I don't know. Maybe he's gonna do magic.
Magic? Bakit sa tingin mo ba? May magic ba kayo?
I think he's cool, and I do boxing too, and I'm from Malabon also, so...
Wow, you have a lot in common. Maybe mamaya pwede kayong mag-boxing.
Yeah, why not?
I think Rico is ready. So, Rico, come on out. Nice.
Hey, man.
So, tell us a little something about this outfit you have.
In 2003, I actually graduated as a nurse. So, other than the radio stuff, I became a nurse, man. So, it's a great way to help a lot of people. That's the main thing.
You have a good heart, my friend. Very, very good heart. Wanting to help people, and you're still turning your lights off. Ito, ha? Let's find out what's going on here, huh?
I want to know about this.
Maxine, nakita mo na nurse pala siya. Nag-off ka ng ilaw. Bakit?
Well, I have all the respect for nurses, but like if I imagine them, they have to clean poop and like all these things.
Imagine, I'm going to clean you.
I would rather.
When you get
sorry,
sick,
sorry, I would
I'm
rather
gonna-
my boyfriend do other things.
Because, you know, when you get sick, I'm going to be there. When you get lagnat, I'm going to yakap soup.
Thank you, Maxine. Now, Paula, nakuha ko ng ilaw mo. You like Rico, huh?
Kasama nurse too.
Ah, okay. So you have something in common. Wow, maybe you guys can clean each other later, huh?
Why not?
You are still in the game. We have 1, 2 girls left, okay? So, you have a talent. You can rap. Maybe you can do a little something to show these girls what we can do. Maybe I can beatbox for you,
All
huh?
right, JR, he's going to break it down. We know he's the prince of R&B. Go ahead, man. Break it down, man. Oh. Come on, take me out, ladies, take me out. Sino sa dalawa? Si Paula o Bridget? Mamimili ako. Sino na? Do I turn off the lights? Do I keep it on? Do I do the fight every time we do it on? I've been spitting it a couple of minutes and be the top. You wanna be able to cup it up. And then we got my man JR spitting at the beat. Take me out, what it is on a 7 comes street. Yeah.
Rico, looks like no one turned the lights off. You are the man. That was a great freestyle, man. Good job. You added my name in there. I like that, man. Great job. All right, well, check this out, Rico. The tables have turned because now you hold the power in your hands, bro. Can you feel it?
Yeah, can I put that in my bag so I can hold the power?
Put it down, put it down. So check it out. And there we have it, mga kapuso.